Alright, here we are in Nakamixon State Park. This is the closed off end of Old Bethlehem Road. This used to be a road here where it used to go across the lake before this was a lake. Figured this is a great time to do a bike check. So, a few things have changed on this bike. This is a NJS Bridgestone. It was made in 2017, I believe. So I have Sugino 75, 167.5 length cranks. I use Time Attacks. These are some old Time Attacks I have on here right now. 17 tooth cog. I have Dura Ace hubs laced to H+ Sun wheels. Right now I'm using Vittoria Corsa Next 28C tires. These are great tires, very expensive, so I try not to skid with this bike the way it's set up right now. Thompson, silver Thompson post, if it'll focus. Cell Italia SLR Superflow saddle. This is the new piece right here, the Salsa 150mm stem. Lots of fun. These bars are, what are they called? Sake road bars, I guess. They're steel, super high polish finish, 38 centimeter width, with some dirty white cloth bar tape. K-edge Garmin mount with a big rubber spacer. Garmin 810. That's pretty much it. Oh, and the top tube protector. Gotta have it. And just some cheap, random, partially broken water bottle cage with some king cage frame clamps. Don't worry, I at least have some clear tape under those. But bikes are made to be beat up, you know? So who cares anyway? Yeah, this is the bike. I'm sure it'll change. But this is it right now.